Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve IoT solutions with Azure IoT easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve IoT solutions with Azure IoT, you first need to understand your project requirements. Identify the devices that will connect to your IoT solution. Ensure all devices have a unique identity and authentication mechanism. Set up an Azure account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Azure portal and create an IoT hub. Select the option to add a new IoT hub. Fill in the required details such as subscription, resource group, and region. After the IoT hub is created, you will need to register your IoT devices. Go to the IoT hub blade and select IoT devices. Click Add to register a new device. Assign a unique device ID and save the primary key for authentication. Download the Azure IoT SDK that matches your device's programming language. Integrate the SDK into your device's firmware or software. Use the provided sample code to connect your device to the IoT hub. Ensure that your device implements message sending. Monitor the device connections in the Azure portal to verify successful integration. Configure cloud-to-device messaging for advanced communication. Explore Azure Stream Analytics to process incoming data in real time. Set up triggers for alerts based on specific conditions in your data. Utilize Azure Functions for serverless processing of incoming data. Implement Azure Machine Learning to analyze data and make predictions. Visualize your data by integrating Azure Dashboard or Power BI. Continuously test and iterate on your IoT solution for improvements. Document each stage of your development process for future reference. Stay updated on best practices and new features in the Azure IoT ecosystem. Your IoT solution is now enhanced and ready for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.